If you ever wanted a business that you can run from anywhere, that pays well, and that doesn't require years of trial and error, starting a recruitment agency might be the smartest move you can make. I've been in the recruitment space for almost over 10 years now, and in those 10 years, I've started and scaled multiple 7-figure businesses, and I've also sold one of them. And let me tell you, I enjoyed every minute of it. So in this video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should consider starting your own recruitment agency, and I'll also compare them to other business models, so if you decide to do this, you can make an educated decision. And the first reason is location freedom. The only things you need are a phone and a laptop with a good internet connection, and you can work from anywhere in the world you want. For example, I live in Dubai, but my company is located in Belgium. My staff are working from Belgium, but I live in Dubai. And I've also worked on vacation from Italy, from Indonesia, from Brazil, and from anywhere in the world. So if you want to keep living and working where you are, it's great. If you want to move to another place, it's also good. And if you just want to earn some money on vacation and work from nice spots, I think it's a hell of a business model to consider. Because at the end of the day, like I said, you don't need an office space. You're not seeing clients, you're not meeting candidates in person anymore. All of that goes through Teams or through Zoom or whatever your program of preference is. And also, it allows you to hire people or recruit people anywhere in the world. I've had clients in 3 continents, in over 20 countries, and it didn't matter where I was living at that time, and it didn't matter where I was working from at the time. So if you're watching this from Greece, from Egypt, from India, from New Zealand, from China, from the US, from London, I don't care where you're watching this from, you can work in your own country, from your own country, in other countries, from other countries. You've got 100% freedom. The second reason is that there is a proven product market fit by now. It's not a new business model anymore. It's not something new. It's not a fling. It's not a trend. It's been around for tens of years, and it's going to be around for a hell of a lot longer. Because on the one hand, you've got 7 out of 10 businesses that are struggling to find talent. And on the other hand, you're working in an industry that was worth over 800 billion last year, and it's projected to go over 3 trillion with a T in the next 10 years. So you've got need and you've got money. That means there's long-term demand without signs of slowing down. And the third reason, and it's personally one of my favorite, is that it's a high-paying service. The average deal varies between $10,000 to $20,000 per deal, and those are averages. You can find CEOs for 50 to 100K, or you can just go and look for truck drivers for 5 to 6K. I mean, pick your poison, the options are plenty. But anyhow, you're just 8 to 10 deals away a year from making a 6-figure income. And the best part is that you don't need any expensive tools or software or anything. So the money you make is basically pure profit. And that's really a great thing, because if you're looking at other online businesses like marketing agencies, you need to spend a ton on Facebook ads and whatnot, on licenses, on programs, on all kinds of things you don't need in your recruitment business. And the fourth reason is that it's easy to sell. So your high-paying service we just talked about is easy to sell. I mean, how good is that? Because you're selling a job to somebody who's looking for one, or you're selling somebody who's looking for a job to a company with an open position. So basically, you just connect supply and demand. You're doing professional matchmaking services, but instead of helping people find love, you help people find a job. So it's basically one of the most simple sales you could be making out there. And the fifth reason is that it's scalable and that you can delegate the business. So you can start solo, like I said, make 6 figures a year and live a perfectly good life. Maybe you can hire a part-time VA to help you do some admin stuff so you don't have to focus on that, and then you can just do the client and candidate side. That's a possibility. Or you can just hire people. You can hire people locally, or you can outsource to countries where salaries are cheaper and keep a bigger upside. That's for you to decide. But you can hire recruiters so they find the candidates for you, and you can hire salespeople so they can find clients for you. So if you found a team of people who find clients and people who found candidates, that basically means you have no operational responsibilities anymore. And that's a pretty great place to be in. And let me tell you from experience, it's really, really nice, because I spend my days coaching my team, training them, and that's all I do. I don't talk to clients, I don't talk to candidates, I just do my own hiring and training. And that's because I choose to do so. My agency now makes more than 7 figures a year, and I could basically work 1 to 2 hours a day, check in with the team, see what they're working on, and stop working. I choose not to because I really like what I'm doing, but at this point it's a possibility. And if it's a possibility for me, well, it could be a possibility for you. And as I said, I wanted to do a quick comparison with other popular business models. So unlike dropshipping, personal brands, Amazon FBA, or selling courses or whatever, a recruitment agency is really a strong competitor because you build a real business. It doesn't depend on ads, it doesn't depend on the product of someone else, it doesn't depend on your brand, so you can sell the business if you want to. For example, I started a recruitment business that was really niche in the logistics sector, and after just shy of 2 years I sold it, and during that time with the sale I earned around $500,000, and it was really good money for the work I did. And that's something great you have with running a real business and not some online thing that, as I said, depends on you or somebody else. So you're not just building income, you're really building an asset, you're creating your own wealth. And if you don't believe me, look it up. I mean, recruitment agencies are bought and sold all the time. And something else I wanted to talk about is AI, because I heard people saying, yeah, but recruitment agencies are going to disappear because with AI, every company is going to hire more easily and whatnot. And well, the thing we noticed is that AI just made the problem bigger because it's creating so many new roles in companies, roles they don't know how to hire yet. So if you would want to start a recruitment agency specialized in AI profiles, I think you'd make a killing. Really, I do. And on the other hand, AI is creating so many tools that are making our jobs as recruiters so much easier. I mean, I find candidates now so much faster than it used to take 5 or 6 years ago, and it's really a big upside, because when I look at the business we're generating per recruiter, it's almost doubled in the last 3 years, and AI played a major part in this. So if you think that AI is a competitor, it's not. AI is just your friend. So if you want freedom, a proven business model with high income, and a real company you can build on, this is the sign you were waiting for to build your own recruitment agency. The market is huge, AI is making us stronger, and the demand is only going up.